So I made this a while back out of some Hitch stock to change tires, and it works okay, but I thought it'd be a lot more useful if I could put different tools on it. So I cut the tire thing off. We have some receiver stock that I cut, and then I have one of these Harbor Freight cheap Chinese metal benders. So I cut that out of the base that's on, and we're going to weld that onto this piece of receiver. So we have a metal bender attached to the truck, because I can't put one of these in the floor of my shop. The cement is rotten, and I can't really mount anything. And what I've been doing right now is just mounting it to my bench, but the bench moves all over. So we'll weld that together, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, I'm done. Got everything welded up. Drilled the holes in it so I can put the hitch pin in so it'll stay in. I guess if I wanted to, I could drive around with it. I got some 5/8 round bar in here now that I need to bend for a project, so. That sure was a lot easier than fighting my bench falling everywhere.